Boneless what?
It's just so
No. Say it. No, say it.
Yeah.
Boneless
now
what?
or
It's just so much less messy.
There's
I can just eat it
that's
with
a
a fork.
glorified chicken nugget.
It is
All right,
chicken
that's a
nuggety.
chicken nugget. That ain't
It
no
is.
wing.
It
Could be a
is.
chicken
You're right.
tender if it's big enough.
Okay, that's not a wing. Wings got bones in it.
You're right.
There's no such thing as boneless wings.
Well, they're just.
I got some old spinach in here that I didn't get a chance to finish making salad out of. I would show y'all the inside, but I'm not gonna show y'all the inside of this month. We got some spinach here, y'all. It's not all the way bad, but it's not actually salad quality. So we're gonna make some spinach dip. Let's get into this.
Start off by getting your pan all nice and oiled up. And this is basically a whole bag of spinach that I'm adding to here. I only took like a handful of leaves up out of here. So if you want to make this, feel free to use the whole bag. You see all this right here? It is going to cook down, trust me. Just toss and turn them so the top leaves can cook the same pace as the bottom leaves. You can use whatever you want, but I'm using my little tongues right here. And this is optional, folks. These little stems right here, I like to break all those off. You can do that beforehand if you want. Other than that, just go ahead and cook them down, because this is going to cook down to about a third of this size. Now is a good time to use your seasoning if you choose to. I'm using some of my garlic butter. The link will be down in the description. All right, now let's slide that to the side. We're getting ready to make our dip. I am starting off with 3 ounces of cream cheese and 3 ounces of queso. And now I'm going to add a healthy tablespoon of some French onion dip. Turn your eye down low and let this take its time getting all melted down. Once that is all melted, it's time to go ahead and add in all of our spinach. And you see, one bag don't cook down too much. This is just one bag, y'all. And get that all nice and stirred and mixed up. Get all that spinach broken up and mixed in good with this cheese dip. All right, now looking good, folks. So far so good, right? This is what you want. We almost through here. The last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add a tablespoon of butter. And once this is all melted and mixed up, folks, we all through right here. It's time to sample your product.
It's nice and hot right now, though. Nice and hot, but I already know what time it is. Woo. Oh man, y'all, that was so good, but hold up. Ooh, it's nice and hot, but man, I just had to have some right now. Let's do another one. When not so much that we can tolerate the heat. Y'all, make this, I'm telling you, you like spinach dip? Check it out.